Hello, it's Michelle from CNC Designs here, and I just wanted to show a quick little video of a perpetual calendar that I made. I got the idea for this type of calendar from another demonstrator, and I'll put her name and a link to her video in the description of this video. But I just wanted to show you what I did and how I changed it up to make it my own and to make it so you could have different images every month. So this is using our Days to Remember stamp set, which comes with the months, the weeks, and then one big stamp that has all the numbers on it. And so you are meant to stamp each month separately, and it fits the ink pad perfectly, so you just stamp the section of the month that you want. So like this one I did before for April for Anzac Day. But you can also stamp all the numbers in one go and create a perpetual calendar. So this calendar has a little window here, and as the arrows show, you go left and right, and you can slide the calendar. Oh, I gotta try to do it on camera. Left and right, so you just slide simply the two sides there and line it up for the days that you want. So and then you can also stamp the months. So I changed this up from the one that I saw. That mechanism's the same, but what I did differently, and the months have Velcro on them and they're stored inside. And the original card was a folding card, so it would stand up. This one stands up just fine that way. So you can change out the months. And the other thing is I put a couple magnets on the left side, and then my images I put a couple magnets behind them as well, so they can simply stick in place. So like for example, January finishes on 31st, so February will start on Tuesday. So if I slide it over to have the number 1 under the T, take these two off, then I can take February, and I have a little pocket in there with all sorts of different images. So I can pop February up there, and I've got, amongst all my lovely images, I have got a bear. They're all sticking together because they have magnets. So I've got a bear with a heart. So I'll pop him there, let him find his spot. And so for February, we have Valentine's Day, but February only has 28 days this year. So I took a few other images, and I put a little bit of Tombow on the back of them, which makes them sticky. So I can now cover up the extra dates. Now, the original video of the other demonstrator, this window is open. But I've put a piece of window sheet in here, so that way I can stick these on whatever numbers, because some months only have 30 days, and in February this year has 28. So that way you can cover that up, and it matches the month. So those were the extra little images in this stamp set, and then I just fussy cut those out. So then you can continue. So February finishes on a Monday, so March is going to start on a Tuesday, so March is going to be the same days, and March has 31 days. So I'm going to pull off all those bits, take off those parts, pop down inside my storage, grab March, pop it up there, and March is my birthday month, so I have got myself a crazy chicken with a balloon. Let's get the magnets, there we go. So you just change out the months with Velcro. You can cover up any of the extra days with your other little images, and you can just have the magnets that pop into place. So I hope you like that. Oh, there we go. I hope you like that. The instructions how to make the card, I will have a link to the other demonstrator's page. She did hers in letter form. I adjusted it for A4 cardstock here, but my blog has more information about what to do and how to make it up the way you want. But those are a few changes I made to do a perpetual calendar. I hope you like that. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos to see more in the future. I don't know yet if I'm actually going to create a video showing this from the beginning to end, because like I said, there's another demonstrator has a video showing that part. These, you simply find the images you like. I suggest you find ones that have dies to match, because then you can die cut a white piece of card to cover up the magnets on the back. In the case of things like the bear, I had to fussy cut the back, or you could just cover it up with a little bit of cardstock just to make it look nicer and help keep the magnets in place. And they just pop in and out however you'd like to give you different pictures for every month. Thanks for watching. Bye!